Once you arrive to Sibiu, you have to check out the center. There's a pedestrian road which is named after Nicolae Ceausescu, who was a famous journalist and historian in the 19th century. There are lots of cafes and restaurants everywhere where you can treat yourself very nicely. This was a typical Romanian pastry, which is filled either with chocolate, meat or cheese. They have lots of varieties here. You can find this place right in the city center, also in the pedestrian road, in the main pedestrian road of Sibiu. If you carry on that pedestrian road, you will get to the big square here in the city center, which is called Piața Mare in Romanian. This is home to several restaurants, shops, and there are also events every now and then. And over there you can see a huge Catholic church. It's crossing the underbridge in the council tower. You will get to the small square, which is that here. But also nice restaurants here to have a drink or to grab some food. Just over there, there's the Bridge of Lies. It has many legends, and one of them says that it has ears and it knows when somebody standing on it is being untruthful. So let's cross the bridge and see what's going to happen. Nothing happened, so I haven't been lying for years. So, following the stairways downwards, it will bring you to the old town of Sibiu. Where you can see many old fortifications. Look over there, a nice old building. And the rooftop, it looks like two eyes. Good morning, it's another day here in Sibiu. I just checked out my hostel. This place here, B13 hostel. I like the hostel room, it only cost me €7. But the problem was I had that stinky guy on my room and I couldn't stand him, so I decided to leave the hostel today, and now I'm heading to the train station to catch a train to Sibiu. So I arrived to Sibiu train station and I bought my ticket already to Sibiu, which cost me only 13 lei. Pretty cheap, but it's only 95 kilometers and the duration is more than 2 hours, so very slow trains here in Romania. Inside a Romanian train, look at that.
Musical